Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ngayong gabi, meron naman tayong ayusing laptop. Alright, so this is the first time na gumamit ako ng laptop to stream my work. So, let's go on it. Okay, so ngayong gabi, ayusin natin itong Dell Inspiron N4050. Ito ay lumang laptop na. This is powered by an i3 processor. Second gen. Now, the problem with this laptop is that yung kanyang LCD ay sira na po. It doesn't work. So, pag tinurn on mo, so ganyan lang siya. Meron siyang kababalaghang ginagawa. Alright, then, nung tinest ko ito sa external monitor, magana naman ang lahat, normal. Yung nga lang LCD niya po sa laptop ay hindi gumagana. Okay, so let's start from removing the battery. Okay, so after removing the battery, we will go now to this side and we will start prying off the LCD cover. Yan, so ganyan lang naman paano siya tanggalin. Para makita niyo, you're going to start prying it from the bottom and off it goes. Okay, so tagal na. Alright, so after removing that thing, gagawin natin susunod is we're going to remove. By the way, it's better kung ang laptop ay pindutin nyo ang kanyang power button after nyo matanggal ang charger to drain the static electricity. Okay, so ito automatic na natanggal yung connection ng camera. Alright, so here we are with the old LCD. Okay, so parang na-servicean na yata itong laptop na ito noon kasi meron siyang ito, meron siyang nakalagay na tape. Saka kung titingnan nyo po ay hindi na po maayos yung kanyang LCD. So probably sinervisan na po itong laptop na to noon, or di kaya ay kung mag-isip ng masama, something happened, hindi na maayos po yung kanyang LCD. Okay, so disconnected the connector. So before natin tanggalin yung old LCD pala, yan box natin yung ipapalit natin, no? Alright, dumating na kasi kanina, so hindi ko nahintayin na yung connect it from the carton, and here it is. Okay, so this LCD is LT N140. It's 40 pins. So okay, connector is installed, and then try natin na i-boot. Okay, the laptop is powering on now, and as you can see, I can already see an LCD. Nice. That is working well. Yan. See? Gumagana na siya. Yan. So, it says there, Windows recovery. Okay, so may nating ayusin yung software niya. At least sigurado natin na yung kanyang LCD Okay, so nailagay na natin. Now, let's test this thing again. Now, before we test, lalagay na natin yung kanyang front bezel.